sides to bottom panel. Install connectors to front brackets. Insert back connectors to drawer sides. Install connectors to front brackets. Insert front panel to drawer sides. Loosen the fastening screws. Rotation to dismantle the panels. You can also adjust height of the panel. You can also adjust sides of the panel. Insert drawer cap to drawer sides. Install guides to the cabinet. For removing the drawer, push the metal spring part from the panel and pull out.